Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Dark Star Customs today. Today's video, we're going to have a cool challenge. Old school versus new school. 1978 Harley Davidson Shovelhead FXE Super Glide. She's got a big bore 96 kit and a whole lot of extra goodies. Versus the 2021 Street Glide. She also has a big bore in it, but she's bumped up to a 124, boasting 130 horsepower and 140 torque. Today's video, we're going to start them both up. We're going to let you guys judge which one sounds better. Okay, let's get to her. Big bore 124 Street Glide. She's sounding nasty. Okay, up next, 78 Harley Street Glide. She's got a 96 big bore in her, dual plug heads, 6-speed tranny, all belt drive. All right, let's fire this bitch up. Old school, lumpity lumpity lump lump lump. You can hear that cam. Running a 560 cam. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Which one sounds better? The shovel or the new M8? Once again, thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button and please subscribe.